This is the first look. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 will feature two camera sensor setups, with the compact camera's main sensor rumored to be the 1-inch, 50MP sensor with variable aperture. The secondary sensor appears to be a 1/1.3-inch sensor with a 3-axis gimbal and a rotatable screen, but there's one clear change: a new set of buttons below the display. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 chassis leak hints at refreshed dimensions. A side-by-side comparison shot of the Osmo Pocket 3 and Pocket 4's chassis. Hardware buttons placed below the rotatable touchscreen, replacing the Osmo logo found on the Pocket 3. Finally, the DJI Pocket 4 has surfaced at FCC registration, confirming its availability for the camera in the USA. The Osmo Pocket 4 with a typical battery capacity 1,545 mAh, while keeping the same 7.7D setup as before. The Osmo Pocket 4 being tested alongside other cameras. Reliable source that DJI intends to launch the Osmo Pocket 4 on December 18th. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.